how to refer people to MEXC and earn rewards for it. First, you will need to sign into your MEXC account, then click on your profile icon found in the top right corner, and you want to go into referral. Right here it's going to show you your current goals. So you will need to clear, in my case, 2 goals to level up. You have different levels and you will get bigger rewards the more people you refer. So right here, as you can see, we have currently 3 levels. If you scroll down, you will be able to see your referral code, which people can put once they sign up, and you will earn rewards. Or also you can copy this link directly here, and if they sign up using your link, then you will level up accordingly after you have completed the goals. Now basically how this works, if you scroll down, you will be able to see the money which you earn from your referrals as long as they make deposits and actually trade. So here you will be able to see that you have a 40% commission for futures, DEX, and also spot, and your total earnings here. And also you can track your referral history and also the commissions themselves which you have earned, and you can sort this for a custom time range. So that's basically how it works. You have different levels. As long as people sign up using your link or code and trade, then you will get rewards for it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.